Hello everyone, I hope you all are healthy and safe. This video is by the Axis Mathematics Club of MIT Academy of Engineering. As we have discussed in our introduction video earlier, that the Axis is going to generate video series on aptitude, and this video is related to the same. For this video series, I am your presenter and my name is Simran Koul. The first and foremost thing that I would like to tell you is, if you have any doubt or any suggestion related to this series, please put it in the comment box. I would love to hear that. So, let's start with a quick basic activity. I'll give you two images. You have to guess the name of the topic which we are going to cover in this particular video series. Ready? Here comes the first image. Time for second image. Now, if you have guessed cubes and dices, then you are on the track. Cubes and dices is one of the most important topic in aptitude and many people find it difficult. So, let's make learning fun and we will proceed step by step. Okay? So, for this video today, we will cover introduction and problem statement 1, the first step of ladder, and suddenly we will reach to the top of the ladder as per the coming video series. Okay, so introduction. We all know that cube is 3D, three-dimensional figure with 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces, 1 face top, 1 face bottom and 4 side faces, and 12 edges and 8 vertices, and the 8 vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay guys, so basic introduction, we generally know this thing. So let's move to our problem 1, and our problem 1 is about identifying the faces, the most important topic in cubes and dices. So let's see what our problem statement says. It says, which letter is on the opposite face of letter C? Here you can see 3 figures, each figure containing 3 faces. First figure has A, B, D, second F, E, A, and third F, C, E. Okay, so the question says, here you can see face C. So opposite to face C, which is the face? Which face is opposite to face containing letter C? Okay, so for this we will proceed step by step. First of all, construct this kind of figure. What is it? If you see carefully, you will find it similar to open square pyramid, right? You have to draw 4 adjacent squares and locate third square from left, above it and below it, draw square and you will get this figure. Okay, so here comes our very first step we have to do after creating the figure. Find the face which is common in at least 2 figures. As you have seen, here are 3 figures, and in these figures we have A as common face in figure 1 and figure 2. Also E as common face in figure 2 and figure 3. Also F as common face in figure 2 and figure 3. So you can proceed by choosing A or E face or F face. I'll proceed by choosing face A. Okay. Here I have chosen face A, which is common in figure 1 and figure 2. Locate A at third square from left side, that is here. Okay. Now the next step says fill the adjacent sides of selected face accordingly. As we have selected A, we have to fill the adjacent sides, which are B and D as per figure 1 and F and D as per figure 2. First we will fill D and B. Okay. As in the figure you see, D is to the left of A and B is to the right of D. Here is A and left of A is this position. As D is to the left of A, fill D here. Now B is to the right of D. Right of D means this position, so fill B here. This means we are done with D and B. Now comes turn of F and E. Here you can see that F is to the right of A. So right of A means this position or this position. But if you will fill F here, you have to also fill E. But what it says that E is to the right of F. But if you will fill F here, so you don't have any place to fill E. So this place is not appropriate for F. Okay, why is it? Yeah, selected. Okay, this place is not suitable for F. So what will we fill here? We will not fill here F. So F will be filled here. This is to the right of it. Now E is to the right of F. Right of F means this position. So we will fill E here. Okay. Now we have filled all the adjacent sides of A. We have only one position remaining. And if we will see to the initial figure, we have only one face remaining, that is C. We have filled D and B, we have filled F and D, same F and D, we have filled it. Only remaining with C and our figure is completed. So here I have filled C and this is my final diagram. I have filled C here and the diagram is complete. So diagram is completed, but what was the question? The question was which face is to the opposite of face containing letter C. If you will see here carefully that here is A. Okay. And to A, D, F, E and B are adjacent. So they can't be opposite to A. Only C is not adjacent to A. Right? C is not adjacent to A. So C is opposite to A, which means that the face opposite to face containing letter C is A. I hope you have got your answer right. The answer is face containing letter A. Guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you. We'll see you in the upcoming videos. Okay?